Hello, good morning. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. I remain your loyal girl, Olayemi Akinola. You are welcome to the month of September. September is the month of life insurance awareness. Yes, I'm so excited for this month because you're gonna be getting a lot of free financial nuggets surrounding life protection, proper protection, living benefits, and every advantages that are associated with life insurance package. you know this is the 28th anniversary of life insurance awareness. It means that if they can, attach a ceremony to something, it means that it is very important that we take it very seriously. What is life insurance? It's just simply means life protection. What happens to you in case of disability or in case of death, right? So you want to sit tight and then follow me through this month to learn more about life insurance. Of course, it's not a fun topic. People don't even like to hear about it. They were like, "Oh, I don't want to die. I don't want to do this." But the truth is that that is inevitable, right? Even though we don't talk about it, it happens every day, and one day it's gonna happen to you. It's gonna happen to me, right? So the problem we're having is that most people don't even know how to buy it, right? So even those people who buy it don't necessarily even know how to, they don't know the importance of what they have bought. They don't know that this is a life-saving, portfolio for them, because it helps us in also building and preserving wealth. Yes, because when you work for something, maybe you're having a lot of debts associated with your properties and everything. Do you know that if you have life insurance and that is, fully funded and that is substantial, it can, protect your legacy. These are the things you want to understand about having life insurance. So come to think of it, today people have different kind of protection. In fact, they might buy this wristwatch and they will protect it. Can you imagine? But now you are the ghost, that you are producing the eggs, are you actually protected? These are the things that you want, these are the questions you want to ask yourself. If anything happens to me today, what's going to happen to my loved ones, my children, my spouse, my family, my dependents? These are the things you want to ask yourself. So when you start asking yourself those pertinent questions, you will know if what you have even bought is enough or not. Or probably you need to sit down with your financial professional to look into your, portfolio to know if you need more, if you need to add, or you're really doing fine. So just stay tuned to our channel for more free financial nuggets for the month. Life insurance, like I said, is just life protection for you and I. It doesn't ensure your own life. It ensures your family's ability to continue on without being financially devastated. So it means that if anything happens to you, your family is not going to suffer. Your children will still have their best education, fulfill those destinies that you have, figured out for them. They are not going to be stranded. I've seen people that couldn't fulfill destinies just because their parents passed away untimely. So you don't want that to happen to you. Either you are alive or you are not. The legacy that you have built will still be, carried on. So a good number of people, of course, believe that they won't die anytime soon. So why would they need life insurance? I was talking to someone this morning. No, I was actually listening to someone who had a stroke this morning. He wasn't seeing it coming at all. He did not know. It was this kind of person that believed that I can never be sick. That's his belief. So he does things, but thankfully he got a life insurance with living benefits package, and by he had a stroke. He was struck down with a stroke. What happened? Thank God for living benefits. If not, he would have filed bankruptcy and in the period at which he couldn't work, right? But because he has living benefits, he was able to, get paid because he could claim something. He could lay a claim that eventually, was paying his bills before he could now, start working again. What am I saying in essence? You never can tell. You don't know tomorrow. As long as you have you have blood running through your veins, anything can happen. And because of that, you want to prepare. We have 10 virgins in the Bible. 5 have extra oil, right? Have extra oil, that's protection. Have extra oil, that's living benefit. Have extra oil, that's the thing that can sustain you when you don't have that agility, you don't have that strength to carry on. Then the next question you want to ask yourself, are you even insurable? Because this is the month of life insurance. Are you insurable? Many people are not even insurable. Many are insurable, they don't know. Many are not insurable, they don't know. Many are not insurable, they know. So before you are uninsurable, try to get life protection. Honestly, it's a lifesaver when you need it. One. The most devastating part of life insurance is if you need it, it's if you wait till the time you need it and you don't have it, then I'm not sure you're gonna have it. That's just the thing, because for you to need it, that means there is a challenge, right? And at that point, nobody wants to insure you at that time, because most life insurance, they require medical examinations, blood tests, health record before a policy is issued, right? So if you have health problems, they may deny your applications. I have, some list of our applications that were denied based on maybe morbidly obesity, anemia, what else? Long-term issues. Maybe the person is already nursing maybe cancer or like a terminal illness or critical illness. They're gonna deny those claims. So you don't want to find yourself in that space before you start taking action. It's just similar to like somebody wants to take in auto insurance but with a bad driving record. Is either the insurance, oh no, I'm not going to insure this car or this driver because of the record. It's just similar. So a lot of people are not even insurable. That's just the truth. Because research has shown that estimated 80 million Americans have one or more types of heart disease. And if this is already listed on your health record, I'm afraid you may not be insurable. But yeah, there is still good news out there. You might want to insure your spouse, your kids, and everything, and then maybe do some final expense for yourself so that they don't do GoFundMe for you when you are gone. So research has also shown that 1 out of 2 men and 1 out of 3 women have the risk of developing cancer in their lifetime. Canadians also face similar, records, but we are focusing on Americans right now. So if you need life insurance, honestly, get it as soon as possible when you are healthy and you are insurable, because prevention is better than cure. Buying early is also wise because, of course, it might also qualify you for better rates. The cost of insurance increases with age. So if you are younger, it's going to be cheaper. If you are older, it's going to be very expensive. Don't wait too long, because when you have a health issue, it may be too late for you to be insured at that time. So you just want to find out which one works best for you and all that. So of course, some policies can be issued without, medical exam or with limited medical questions. These forms of guarantee policy typically charge higher premiums, and they are only available on, lower coverage amount. I've seen it before, like maybe $50,000, and it's going to be very expensive just because you want to boycott all those medical things. But if you're talking about substantial life coverage with minimal amounts of money, then they might likely do some health record findings and all that. So till we see some other time, stay tuned to our channel. This is the month of September, month of life insurance awareness. We're gonna be giving you those free nuggets. Thank you for having me here once again. I remain your loyal girl, Olayemi Akinola. Thank you. God bless you, and